I'm Ron from Kolleno, the best suite app to send your invoices generated by SuiteBilling, and today I will guide you through the steps to set up SuiteBilling preferences in NetSuite. Before enabling this feature, there are a few key actions you must complete. First, you need to contact your NetSuite sales or account representative to provision SuiteBilling. That you absolutely need to do. And then two, you need to consolidate projects on sales orders and disable employee commission. Those two we will see together now how to do them. So if I look first at consolidating projects on sales order, if the projects feature is enabled in your account, you first need to go to Setup, Company, Enable Features, and you need to ensure that you have both the projects and project management boxes checked. You then need to go to Setup, Accounting Preferences, and in the Items Transaction subtab, you will simply check the box labeled Consolidate Projects on Sales Transactions, and then you click Save in the top left. Before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful NetSuite tutorials and tips. Second, we will disable employee commissions. For that, you will go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. We go to this Employees subtab. And then we need to look for the commissions section, and you just need to make sure that the employee commissions box is cleared, and then you click on Save. Important, when the employee commissions is disabled, any existing commissions data becomes inaccessible. If you need access to this data while using SuiteBilling, you should export it before disabling this feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and visit kolleno.com for more information, and I'll see you in the next one.